Hello friends, welcome. If you're new here, I'm Jalene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today I was actually filming another video. What was I filming? I filmed a Jeffree Star, my Jeffree Star summer sale haul. Anyway, I was filming that and this just happened to come in the mail, and what I got was my Macy's beauty box. So here we go. I'm gonna open it up. So let's just get started. Okay, friends, if you're not familiar with Macy's beauty box, it is a $15 a month subscription. You get about 6 beauty items that are their sample products, either skincare, makeup, perfume, that kind of thing, body care, I don't know, a little bit of everything. So last month was my first month in May doing this video, doing the Macy's beauty box. So I'm hoping that I like it and I will continue to get this box because I think it's pretty cool. I have no idea what's in here. I'm gonna be surprised, just like everyone else. A lot of times I'll see spoilers, but I didn't this time. So there's that. Also, they always send you a coupon for $10 off a beauty product. So in a way, if you use this, basically this would have cost you $5. So anyway, let's get to it. Let's see what's in here. I love the pink tissue paper. Okay, let's see here. Okay, here's a sneak peek. It looks like skincare again. Looks like all skincare almost. Let's see what we got. Okay, from Kiehl's we have it says Truly Targeted Acne Clearing Solution. It's just a sample. Let's see what it looks like here. Right here. And I can get it out. So it's just a small. Now I don't really have an acne problem, but every once in a while I'll have something pop up. So maybe I'll have a chance to try that. I don't know. So that's the first product. Not super exciting to me. Okay, this actually, okay. I'm seeing this now. This is all Kiehl's. The brand Kiehl's, K-I-E-L-S. They have all products from Kiehl's this time. So I've never seen them do that where they just do one brand. So that's new. So there we go. So it does say on here, now that I'm seeing this, it says Kiehl's since 1851 Essentials. So now here is an ultra facial cleanser. So it's a deluxe size, not a bad size, great for travel. I haven't really used Kiehl products. I've heard about them. I know they've been around for forever. So anyway, that's the second product. The third product I have here is, okay, it is a Bare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. That's what it looks like. It's kind of, I like the texture of it. Does feel very masky. Okay, so actually I might try it. I mean, that's okay. So the next thing I have here is their creamy eye treatment. So it's another eye cream. I have so many eye creams. It's hard for me to get to them all because they last forever. Now this one it's kind of yellow. I wonder what that's about. So anyway, so there's an eye cream. And then the next thing, well, I have a sample here too. This is a UV serum. It's called Better Screen UV Serum. Just a sample. So there's that. And then the last product that's in here is, it's an extra ultra facial cream. So it looks like it's a moisturizer. So see what that looks like. It's just a white, real white, creamy, kind of a light. So Feels good. Feels really good on the skin. No smell really. So yes, I am. You probably can tell because I'm always so peppy. This is a little bit of a disappointment for me, I'll be honest. I know these are good products, and it actually might be a nice little set to take to travel with, you know, just put in a little travel bag and use. So it's not, I'm going to have to look more into Kiehl's and what their products are, but so it's not necessarily a bad thing. It's just that last month we got all skincare and I was hoping to see a little bit of makeup this time. So we didn't, but we got some good products, samples. All of these actually have pretty good amount in them. They look small, but they have, you know, they have several uses. So anyway, that's that. That's the Macy's June, what do they call it? Beauty box. So the Macy's June beauty box. So we got the cleanser, the mask, the eye cream, and the moisturizer. We got the acne treatment and another little sample here of a serum. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All Kiehl's products, so it's a month for Kiehl's. So anyway, I'm going to keep this subscription, even though I might have been a little disappointed. I'm going to keep it because I think the value's there, and I may use this coupon too. So that's a nice thing to have. So anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you get the Macy's box? And what do you think of this month's box? Let me know. And so let's see. I guess that's it for today. I wanted to share that I'm wearing all Tarte makeup. Now, I just did a Tarte haul with my granddaughter. We shared a video together, and in it, I put this Tarte Plump lip plumper on her. And at first she said it didn't burn, and then I said later, did it burn? And towards the end of the video, she was like, yes, it's still burning. And I thought she was hurting, and we kind of made a joke about, okay, so she's hurting. But it wasn't that. This has, okay, I'm in love with this product. This is the lip plumper from Tarte, and it burns in a good way, not a bad way. It feels like you just put mouthwash on, or you're chewing like minty gum, and there's that cool like feeling. Doesn't hurt at all. It's not a hurt burn at all. It's a good like cool, refreshing feeling. So anyway, just wanted to share that. So I didn't really damage her. I thought maybe I did because I didn't try it. She tried it. But anyway, so there's that. I do have all Tarte makeup on. I love Tarte. It's my favorite, probably my favorite brand, and I have the most makeup in Tarte overall. So I am wearing everything except my eyebrows are Tarte. So I don't think I have an eyebrow product from them. Maybe that's the one thing I'll need to get. But anyway, just wanted to share that. I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.